It was tough because my study abroad had two components. First, there was a fieldwork component, which meant that as a group, we were together 24/7. And I mean that literally. We were not in a traditional classroom, but we were working on a farm, working on the land, on location. There were workshops. We interacted on projects and visited dozens of locations throughout the country. The interpreters were working the entire time. Classroom lectures, on the bus, en route to a location. No matter if it was class content or just socializing, the interpreters were continuously working because I was a student in that cohort. And it was a continuous experience. It was literally 24/7 except when we were sleeping. The interpreters made arrangements to alternate during meal times. The students visited while eating together every day, but the interpreters would be worn out. They needed breaks too, so they would alternate. One would break while the other continued to interpret. Sometimes I would need my own break and dismiss both of the interpreters, and then I'd spend some time on my own. The other students would realize that I had dismissed the interpreters, so would come over with their phone and chat through our phones or write notes back and forth. They made an effort to communicate with me in different ways. It's not that I needed to have interpreters by my side continuously. Study abroad is just different. It's a completely different experience compared to the usual, where an interpreter is there for a class and then leaves. I mean, while the interpreters knew what they had signed up for, it was still difficult on all of us, but it was a good experience too.